Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough cinnamon raisin bread. So let's get started. So if you've seen my sourdough starter video, you'll know that you end up with a lot of discard, and this recipe will use it so you don't have to discard it. You may have to stir the discard if any liquid has separated from it. Then add it into the bowl of a stand mixer. You can just mix and knead the dough by hand if you don't have a stand mixer. Then add in the flour, yeast, water, sugar, softened butter, and egg, and mix the ingredients until they're combined. Then add in the salt. Then mix it in and knead the dough for 5 to 8 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Then grease the bowl, place the dough inside, grease the top of the dough, wrap it in plastic wrap, and let it rise until it doubles in size, about 1.5 to 2 hours. Once it has risen, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and fold it a few times, but try not to overwork it at this point. Then roll it out until it's 20 inches long and 6 inches wide. If the dough keeps pulling back while you're rolling it out, then let the dough rest for 10 minutes, then continue rolling it again. Then spread the softened butter over the top. Then mix together the sugar, cinnamon, and flour in a small bowl, and sprinkle it evenly over the top of the dough. Then sprinkle the raisins on top of it. Then just roll up the dough. Roll it tightly or you'll have big air pockets in your bread. Then pinch the seam closed and tuck the ends underneath the dough. Lightly grease a loaf pan. Place the dough inside it, making sure the ends are not higher than the middle. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rise for about an hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Once the dough has risen, bake it in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until the top is lightly browned. You'll know for sure when it's done when it reaches an internal temperature of 190 degrees or above. When it's done, remove it from the oven and carefully transfer it to a cooling rack and let it cool for about 15 minutes. And it's best served while it's still warm. And that's how to make sourdough cinnamon raisin bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.